Welcome. Today a CNC machine bed is stuck on a simple ticket. CNC means a computer-guided cutting or milling machine, like a computer-guided mill or a 3D printer bed. The destination is written as P equals 4, minus 2, 7. Three numbers sit on the job sheet. What is missing is which way each number points on the machine, along the bed, across the bed, or up from the bed. Until those reference directions are named, the ticket is just a list. By the end, you will read that list as amounts of the standard basis vectors E1, E2, and E3 in R3, and rebuild P as 4E1 minus 2E2 plus 7E3. The idea that unlocks that ticket is a basis, the set of reference directions used to describe vectors. Coordinates are the amounts of those directions. In the standard basis of R3, those directions are E1, E2, and E3. Fix the axes first, then the three numbers on the ticket become instructions along those axes. Name the standard basis. E1 is 1, 0, 0, the first axis direction. E2 is 0, 1, 0, the second axis direction. E3 is 0, 0, 1, the third axis direction. Each EI turns on exactly one coordinate and leaves the others at 0. Now read the ticket. P equals 4, minus 2, 7 in the standard basis means 4 copies of E1, negative 2 copies of E2, and 7 copies of E3. The coordinates are those three amounts. That is the plain language meaning of the list, before any slot arithmetic. Scale first. 4 times E1 means 4 times the vector 1, 0, 0. Scale every slot. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0. So 4E1 is 4, 0, 0, a pure first axis piece. Next, minus 2 times E2. E2 is 0, 1, 0. Scale every slot. Minus 2 times 0 is 0, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 2 times 0 is 0. So minus 2 E2 is 0, minus 2, 0, a pure second axis piece, pointing the opposite way because of the minus sign. Last scale, 7 times E3. E3 is 0, 0, 1. Scale every slot. 7 times 0, 7 times 0, 7 times 1. So 7E3 is 0, 0, 7, a pure third axis piece. Add the three pieces. 4, 0, 0, plus 0, minus 2, 0, plus 0, 0, 7. Matching slots. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. The sum is 4, minus 2, 7. Exactly the destination ticket P. A short geometric check in 2 dimensions, only to see the same idea. Move 2 steps along E1, then 3 steps along E2. The tip-to-tail path lands at 2E1 plus 3E2. In R3, the machine ticket does the same job with 3 axes. Scale each basis direction, then add. The picture is optional. The ledger works without it. Here is the trap. Keep the same number list 4, minus 2, 7, but tilt the machine axes, choose a different basis. The same list now lands somewhere else on the bed. Changing the basis changes what the coordinate list means, even though the written numbers look identical. Axes first. List second. Express the machine destination using the standard basis. 4E1 is 4, 0, 0. Minus 2E2 is 0, minus 2, 0. 7E3 is 0, 0, 7. Add them to recover 4, minus 2, 7. So P equals 4E1 minus 2E2 plus 7E3. The trap, swapping signs or swapping basis slots, changes the point on the bed. Close on the combination with axes fixed. With axes fixed, P is 4E1 minus 2E2 plus 7E3. The destination ticket finally has direction meaning. So P equals 4E1 minus 2E2 plus 7E3. The trap, reading the list before naming the axes, repeats the stuck machine state. So a basis is the set of reference directions, and coordinates are amounts of those directions. In the standard basis of R3, the machine ticket 4, minus 2, 7 means 4E1 minus 2E2 plus 7E3. Change the basis and the same list means a different point. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next linear algebra lesson lands in your feed. Then open this lesson in the ExamMaster app and continue while it is fresh.